Hello, hello, test, test. Toggle spotlight. Really, no voice? Strange. Mute here. You are muted. Turn to speak.
Is this one? Can you hear me? Can you hear? Oh, really? Okay, that's good. Good. That's good. So I'll be putting this here because this is my first time to open yeah, this is really my first time that I using YouTube to create a live streaming. Usually I use Zoom. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Yeah, it's really quite interesting. Great. Can you do me a favor? Try to send this link to your friends so that more people can benefit from my webinar, right? Because I'm going to cover a lot of markets today. All right. Yeah, I just learned how to create a stream setups for YouTube. It looks quite easy. And meanwhile, guys, if you have any questions, you can just prepare so that I can answer you. Like you want me to check which products, which pairs, or which stocks, right? Yeah. So you can just prepare any question that you want to ask. Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm trying to switch back to my
Here. Hello, hello, test. Test, test. Can you still hear me? Yeah, I'm trying to use my Razer headset to. You can still hear, right? Yep. Give me 5 if you can. Great. Okay. And for my trading class, can you help me to send a message for the link to the WhatsApp group? If you can. Welcome, Jeff, Dennis. Okay, Charlie. Powered by Melon. So I'm just going to wait for like more another 3 minutes. Okay, and right now we can see that the Bitcoin is really breaks all-time high. Yeah, it's quite fascinating move for today, and the same move in the other products as well. I'm not sure the YouTube can record this session or not. Yeah. If the session cannot be recorded, that would be too sad. So maybe I'm still going to use a Zoom to record the session. So let me enter Zoom. Host the meeting off. Okay, much better. Okay. Hello, hello. Test, test, test. Okay. Share screen. Using YouTube to test.
Recording in progress.
Right. Guys, you are getting ready to hear some awesome teaching. Please give a like of this video. All right, thanks, Charlie. Yeah, I think the only problem that I don't I cannot. Oh yeah, 23 people are here in my room. Good. Okay, so which one shall we start? Do you want me to start with crypto first, or do you want me to start with gold first? Yeah, guys, you guys can determine which one you want to hear first. Vote it. Okay, vote it. Okay. Gold. Oh, okay. Someone votes gold. Okay, never mind. We start from the crypto first. All right. Okay, so remember the number one. Okay, today is 2021 October 20th. All right, and I'm very glad that I start my first YouTube live streaming. This is really my first try. Okay, and I cannot believe that I make it. I make it purely by myself. Yeah, just by using this Malone software, and I can now broadcast even in China. Yeah, because you know that China has blocked all the YouTube or the USA sites, right? So I have been trying very hard uh, to connect to YouTube and start to streaming, and very happy to see you guys here. Okay, great to see you guys here. So can we just warm up a little bit? Okay, so today we are going to cover crypto. Okay, crypto and the global, the FX, Forex, and the future, and some stocks. Right, I will be going through this market very quick, and you guys will understand or will see how I analyze the market and finding trading plans. All right, so my ultimate target is to give you guys the hint to find good trading plans by using my trading strategy. Okay, we always find a entry, find a stop loss, and find a 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio target that is most important, and then we go. Okay, how you manage long-term trade of sterling yen? Yeah, sure, I will answer the question. Okay, so we start from the BTC first. Okay, the BTC has just broke the previous high at a 6484854. Okay, it just break in the last 2 hours. Okay, and we saw very strong candles, right, outside this previous high. Okay, so immediately you should mark this level. A lot of time the price after breakout, okay, the short-term people, the short-term buyer will close profit, right, because they already made money, right, because you can see the rally is about like 3k US dollar from 64k to 67k, right? Okay, some short-term traders already made money. They are going to sell, they're going to take profit, and then the price may slowly come down. Okay, typically in 3 waves. Okay, or maybe 2 waves. Okay, so when the price come back to like 65k, get ready to buy. This is our first plan. Get ready to buy, right? And if you check my TradingViews idea, I said if you want to short, you probably want to wait for the double top. And now today it actually didn't give us a double top. However, it gives us a breakout. So we just cancel the trade. Okay, cancel the trade. And switch to pullback trade mode. This is the first thing you should do. Okay, let me ask you a question. Is there anyone still shorting, or any people are holding the BTC shots? If yes, you can reply me by 2 in the chatting room. Okay, yeah, I think there might be people who want to short at the previous high. Yeah, many times it does. Some people want to use the resistance to give a short, and then they are trapped. And it's very risky because it's really strong wind. The trend is very strong, and the price never come back, right? But if for our buyers, all right, if we want to buy, we want to capture the next wave, the best place will still be the breakout area about a 64,854, about here. So trying to find pullback here and going to long, and put your stop loss below this Marubozu bar here, like 63, 67. So this is the first strategy, the plan A. Okay, plan A, BTC buy, pullback at 64 or 65k. Okay, stop loss below 63, 667. So this is the first plan. I'm not very sure that how how high it can go for the second rally, but do remember, do take notice that the price may come back to retest the previous high here, the new high here, and then it just have another consolidation. So maybe you can only earn this much for the second rally. Only upon breaking new high, it can create another trend. Okay, and meanwhile, we can use a weekly chart to give us our so-called expected move, or expected price for the next rally. The first thing come to my mind will be this ABCD move, right? We choose this as the swing A, this first swing from A to B, right? And we mark this place at a C. Okay, so we can apply this ABCD move here, and you can see the ABCD already complete, and the price will be same at a 64k. So here it tells me that the price may have some problem in breaking out here. There might be a fakey. All right, what do we call fakey? Fakey is the price may shooting up, okay, trap some people, and then it come back. So just be aware of that. The ABCD move already complete. And the second tools we can use is by using the Fibonacci ratios. And the first target will be like 69,540, the 1.13 extension here, okay? And the price may go even back to 74, but that will be too far. So I will ask you guys to pay attention to this 69,540, like 70k level, right? It may rally back to 70k and before it makes another correction, okay? And this looks very much like a harmonic pattern here, okay? And we draw the fib extension from the AB move. You can also see where is the 1.618 here, okay? 67,823, right? So I will just mark here. Okay, good. So now we have some confluence area, isn't it? Okay, the confluence is the 67,823. Second one is 70k. Okay, ABCD move already complete. So this tells me just be a little bit careful. Okay, the price may reverse anytime, anywhere around this level, and it may go down very fast. Okay, are we clear of this? Right, so just now you guys see or watched me how to draw the ABCD, how to draw the Fibonacci extension, how to use the Fibonacci or retracement to get the inverse ratio of 1.13, and we come to this this area. Okay, this area will be very critical for the BTC's next move, right? So I will just mark here 70k. Okay, it's here, and the price is coming very closely. So in 1 hour chart, okay, see very strong rally. Okay, I believe the RSI should be already overbought, right? But the price is still too strong, so we don't want short yet. Maybe you can try to sell from 67k, the 1.618. But the number one strategy will still be buying a pullback, all right? Because after correction to this level, it may still have another rally, and only if the price forms a double top, then you can consider the short. Otherwise, you just follow the trend. So this is the first thing for the BTC. Okay, so let's move on. We go back to ETH. ETH just break 4k, and you want to trying to buy the pullback at 4k, right? So if there's any chance that you can buy from here, will be good for you. Okay, weekly chart is going to break out new high, same as the BTC. So bullish trend, right? Trying to buy some ETH. You can also finding this kind of inside bar strategy for you. Okay, inside bar breakup, you can buy. Right, just let me just show you an example. Okay, like this, something like this. Right, if you watch these two candles, this is a mother bar, this is an inside bar, and the third candle breaks up the inside bar and never touch the stop loss, which is the lowest of the inside bar. So your strategy is to find the inside bar, breakout, and buy, and you earn money. So this is a very simple strategy for in a very strong momentum market. I believe the ETH will give you something like this. Okay, so go to the LTC. The LTC, yeah, it's also trending up, very strong, and it still have long way to go, right? So if I were you, I would trying to buy some LTC because the upside room will be much bigger. Okay, the LTC has already formed a V shape here. This is what we call a V shape reversal, and this is a neckline, and the key support is now coming at 190. Is that 3 wide shoulders? Yes, this is a 3 wide shoulders, and more importantly is where does it happen? Okay, if you see a 3 wide shoulders or any bullish candlesticks in the neckline and breakout, I can tell you this is a 5A trade. This will be the super good trade because the price will have a very good rally after the breakout, right? The the room is open. Okay, basically we call this as the room is open, the profit zone is open, so you can go for the LTC long in a pullback trade. The best one is still waiting for a pullback around 192. Okay, so LTC waiting for a pullback and a 192. How about sushi? Okay, sushi starts to rally and just start. Okay, and I think the sushi is in this bullish flag pattern, right? You want to buy the pullback and aim for higher. I think the sushi will rally to at least $13 and $15 maybe. This is a minimum target for the sushi. Okay, it's okay to buy the sushi. For the Ripple, okay, Ripple very good, 1.14. I think last time I asked you guys to buy the Ripple around here. Okay, yeah, I want you guys to buy the pullback. Okay, around 0.83. Okay, yeah, and it did give us this opportunity, right? You can see it follows my arrow. Okay, the supply zone, right? Don't chase high. You want to buy the pullback and now it starts to rally. So the Ripple is also okay to buy, and the price just make a very big good rally. Okay, this first rally, and oh yeah, this is inside bar. There's inside bar in the Ripple 4-hour chart. If you observe this inside bar, I think you already earn the money. Okay, yes, Shiba. I bought some Shiba like in this June. Yeah, somewhere here. This is where I bought. I bought from here, and I made a three times return, and I sell 90%, and after come back, I start to buy the Shiba around this area, and now I still earn some. I still have some coins in Shiba, but for the Shiba, you don't want to use leverage product. You just buy the coin. Anyway, it's very cheap. It's really cheap, right? And my friend earned like 10 times from here. Okay, yeah. So Shiba, personally, I don't want you to chase here, okay? Because we still don't know what is the logic of this coin. Maybe according to what they said, they want to go into to DeFi. Yeah, who knows? But from the technical speaking, I won't suggest to buy from here. I would rather waiting to buy the low. Okay. Love the simplicity, simply but effective. Yeah, because we are traders. We are traders. We are not the analysts. We don't want to give you too much like information that why should we choose this product, what is the future of this one, right? What is the expected growth, but never helps you to forming a good trading plan, right? We are traders. We just simply trade the market. So as a trader, you have to only know 4 things, right? First, okay, your entry. Second, your stop loss. 3, your targets. Your target may have some multiple targets, right? Multiple levels. 4, how about the reward and risk ratio? Okay. 5, how much money you want to lose, which is the lot size, the calculation, the lot size calculation. That's all. That's all. Right? Just bring these 5 questions to yourself. Yeah, if you want to buy the Shiba, okay, so answer the first one. Where's your entry? You want to buy here? You want to buy the market here? Or you want to buy the limit here? Or you want to buy the stop here, right? Buy market, buy limit, buy stop. You choose one and mark the level. And if you buy here, where's your stop loss? You want to put your stop loss here or here or here. All right, it's up to you. You determine, but you got to find an answer. You can't just leave it blank. 3, where's your target? You want to target here as your first target, or the second target here, or maybe triple, right? Make some reasonable targets first. 4, where's your reward and risk ratio, right? If I buy here, price rally back to the previous high, all right, 2.7 times. Okay, good, makes sense. So maybe you can go. 5, calculate how much money you want to risk. Okay, always use these 5 questions before you making a trading plan. That is my simple suggestion. every trader, every investor, you have to answer these 5 questions before you really pull the trigger. Can we make a, you know, do you agree? Yeah. If you agree with me, let's move on. Okay. So TRM, right? Okay, sure. This one looks at the bottom, but I will suspect the power of it, right? Because the BTC created the major trend. All the other coins look at the BTC, right? So what if the BTC is fakey? And I think this one will move quite slow, right? You got to pick the stronger ones that like ETH, like the BTC, or maybe how about the ETC? Maybe ETC is better, right? The Ethereum Classic. Okay, you got to find some, you know, really strong products to buy, because you only have limited source of capital, right? Okay, so don't just buy anywhere, don't buy all the coins, right? Pick some good ones to go, right? So for TM, if it has a rally, I will see the first price will be the 0.31. So by looking at this, I think the upside room is still limited. Only by breaking out of 0.4, it can rally to like 0.65, right? I think it's very hard to going back to $5. That's quite crazy, right? At the first day of the it launched. Okay, good. So now back to dollar index. Okay, we always want to understand where is the dollar index, because this one is the global markets, you know, big brother. Big brother. All the other assets will have to compare with the dollar, right? Because USD, like in crypto, we have USDT, right? Why the BTC rally? Some reason is that the dollar drops, and people are afraid that, oh, the dollar is depreciating. Should I earn some? Should I buying some assets, buying some good assets, right? For their to hedge the dollars, you know, the losing power. Okay, so dollar index is going down, and I can tell you this top is already formed, right? No matter what the FOMC want to do, or they want to tell the market, they want to, you know, going for the for the tapering, or increase the interest rate. But I think that will come very far. That is like in next years, maybe the tapering will happen. So far they didn't release any news. Okay, but from the chart we can see the dollar is getting weaker. Okay, so dollar is getting weak, and your best strategy is to buy all the major pairs. And I ask you guys to buy sterling yen. Okay, this one will be a monster. Okay, why I choose today to give you guys this webinar, right? 2 reasons. First one, every Wednesday. Okay, remember, every Wednesday. Okay, I will open a webinar, most like in 20:30 p.m. Singapore time. Okay, so this is my webinar ongoing, or if I have time I will give this free webinar. Second one is the sterling yen really gives a very good reason to buy. Okay, I want you guys to buy sterling yen. Okay, so raise your hands, how many of you have experience in forex pair trading? Raise your hand. Yep. How many of you? If you have, okay, go to your broker and open sterling yen trade. I can tell you this long-term target will be here around 175 to 180. So this is a huge profit, right? It's really huge profit. It's like 2,500 pips, and you know, 1 pip in forex, okay, equals to more or less US dollar $10. Okay, you times 2,500 pips, okay, is around 25k for one lot, or for one standard contract. Of course, you don't want to really trade one lot because that is very expensive. It's like 100K, okay, and maybe the loss is also very big. So my suggestion is, if you're for a 10K capital account, okay, enter 0.5 lots and try to hold to 175. This is my suggestion, and you can earn about 2,000 pips. Okay, so about 10K USD. Okay, the profit is about 10K US dollar, and the maximum loss will be around 3.5K. Okay, but the winning possibility is very high. I can say it's about 90%. Okay, so this trade, because this is a monthly breaking out trade, so the winning ratio will be very high. I think more than 80%, more than 90%. The maximum loss, if you enter with 0.5 loss, put in stop loss here, you're only with risking like 700 pips, which is $350. So $3,005. Okay, 3.5K, and you can earn 10K. So this is a business, whether you want to place the trade or not. How do we get a good entry on sterling yen? Okay, just switch to daily chart, and you can see it already give you a very best entry, right? The sterling yen gives you this inside bar. Can you see that? And more, another one is the inside bar breakup, and today it pulled back to the same area after here. So the best place is this 157. 157 level is the best entry. Okay, you go to 1 hour chart, you can see the price just sit very nice back to the previous structure here. I think this will be the same pattern for the BTC as well. Okay, so get ready to buy the correction. Okay, when the correction comes, all right, just buy. If you buy from here, stop loss given to this 156. Okay, you already earn like 1-to-1 reward risk ratio. Okay, let's move on to euro. Okay, euro daily chart is buy. Okay, buy the euro. Trend line broken. Okay, wedge broken, making a small head and shoulder patterns here. The prices will go up. Okay, so dollar going down, euro going up. You can buy some euro. Stop loss given to here 1.15. That'll be enough. Okay, and the upside room is very strong. I think euro will rally back to 1.21. Aim for this level. Okay, so this is your profit zone here. This much, trying to capture this move from 1.16 to 1.21. 500 pips for euro. One lot earn 5K USD. All right, so calculate your risk and go for it. For GBP buy. GBP, guys, you can buy it right now because GBP just have an inside bar breaks out and retest, right? Good, go for it. Sterling, all right, I'm very bullish on sterling. The UK government, the UK, the monetary policy decider will trying to increase their UK's interest rate sooner or later. So buy GBP, okay? And the Brexit has already, been cleared. There will be no more bearish news for sterling. So I will be very bullish on sterling, guys. Go for it. Buy sterling dollar. Sterling dollar will easily rally back to 1.40, and in monthly chart, this guy still are a very low location. The location is really low, okay? And by breaking out 1.43, the sterling will fly like a rocket to 1.6 or even to 1.66. The target will be here. All right. So now you guys know what is the next move of the dollar. The dollar will going down and all the major pairs are going up. Gold will going up. Okay. Let's look at gold. Okay. Gold already find very good support from this level. Okay. 1,700. And in weekly chart, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and price starting to going up. And after this, the gold break out this downtrend line, it will just fly back to 1,800 first, and the second target will be about 2K. So gold will have a good potential to rally to here and here. Are we clear? Okay. When this triangle was broken, right? When this triangle is going break up, so gold also have a very good future on the long side, right? Move on to Aussie. Okay, you can buy Aussie right now. Aussie already break new high. Okay, Aussie just finish this bottom, double bottom, right? Breakout, neckline, go. Put your stop loss below here, down. So if you're my students, you know what I'm talking, and you can just go for it. Do you think the Aussie is worth buying? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yeah. It's worth buying. The signals comes. Double bottom, neckline was broken. Okay, 0.74 was broken. So pull back, go for it. This scenario doesn't happen very often. Okay, I have to remind you guys. It's quite hard. I think the frequency will be like 3 months or 4 months. When the major pairs will have a very good move by breaking out the major resistance. A lot of time the price will just be upside down, the sideway. However, the sideway is end and the price starting to have a one direction. So it's very easy to earn money in this scenario. Right? Very good. Good. Dollar Canadian, short it. Okay, sell the dollar Canadian. Last week I shared my view that I want to sell the dollar Canadian, and the price I think I'm aiming for 1.21. Okay, aim for this level. So still have 200 pips. Capture it. Go to capture the move. All right, capture the move. Down. Dollar Canadian going down. Dollar Swiss going down. Dollar Swiss. Wow, this is a two beautiful patterns here. Okay, all right. Just break down. So sell dollar Swiss is also a good idea. Same for silver. Buy silver, guys. Buy silver. Invest some silver, please. Silver will going back to $27. Okay, silver will be strong. Right, silver is really strong. The long-term trend line was broken. It's good time to invest in silver. Just break out. Buy. Go to 1 hour chart. Inside bar here. Okay, inside the bar. If you trade the inside the bar, you already earn money. Get some silver, please. It won't let you down. Okay, trust me. The momentum starts. Okay, the dollar is dead. Okay, S&P very strong. Okay, so USA stocks may still going high. Okay, basically you can find that the risk appetite is actually getting very high. Now the money is off, is risk off. Okay, people want to take risk. People want to turn the dollar into other assets. That's why all the other assets goes up. Okay, but when the risk events happens, when the mode is switched to risk on, risk off, right? The all the money will just going back to the dollar, and you will see the crash happens, right? So when the risk on, okay, all the other assets will move up. When risk off, no risk. People don't want risk. People are scared. They want to switch back to yen, switch back to Swiss, switch back to dollar. The risk heaven, okay, and then all the assets will drop. So this is a cycle. Just remember this, okay? Oil very strong. Oil still trending up. Okay, I think last week we mentioned that the 77 was broken and the price will have a pullback, and then you want to buy. So this is a very good trade. If you buy from here, you already earn like 500 pips. And in weekly chart, I think the oil will going to test 89 level. Okay, so mark this 89 level for oil. oil still have room to go into 89 or 90. Okay, in this channel, maybe another sideway and going up. Okay, who knows? So buy pullback, buy the pullback of the oil. All right. Okay, I think I have covered most of the markets. Is there any other questions? Oh yeah, this one XPEV, guys, buy it. XPEV just makes a triangle breakup, and the price is going to fly. Okay, the Xiaopeng is making very good and new energy car. Okay. Sure, no problem. And yeah, do me a favor, okay? Subscribe. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will have the notification, okay? And I'm not sure that for today's live streaming portion will be automatically recorded. I don't know. But you can just switch to my to my YouTube channel, right? So this is my channel, Projack Trading Tutorial. You can just search Projack. Okay, I will upload all the videos here. Okay, you can see the live session is here, right? Okay, helping me to spam next time. Okay, because I think there are many fake gurus in this market, right? And normally I just ignore them, but I think some people are really cheating or not doing the good things. They want to cheat other people. Yeah, some people themselves they don't know even how to trade, right? But they just want to speak and tell you how to trade, but in fact they are fake rules. There are some people like that. Okay, so I believe that I will be putting more efforts in the YouTube's live session, and I need you guys. I need your help. Okay, so tell your friend that the Tradingview's top author TNT Sunrise is coming to the YouTube live session. Okay, so if there's any chance, I want to say thank you first and see you next week. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and see you next week. Bye. Yeah, that's all for today. All right. Please open time do live YouTube. What do you mean? Open time to do live. Can you give some advice how to trade scalping? 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Oh, scalping, right? Okay. If you want to trade scalping, it will be very easy. Okay. Say for example, you want to trade scalping, right? Then you just need to find the borders. Okay. Let me just give you an example like gold, right? You can just apply the 8 and 89 EMA, right? Using these two EMA, okay? Trying to pick the trade when their golden cross occurred, okay? And when you see the price is really trending up, okay, you can just enter the buy whenever you approach to the 8 EMA. Approach to 8 EMA. Just quickly scalp like $2 or $3, 20 pips, 30 pips. Okay, but you got to set a stop loss. Okay, and try not to do reversal trading when the trend is up. Okay, don't short it. Okay, unless you see this double top created. Okay, basically still following the patterns, but you switch back to the lower time frame, there will be tons of opportunities. Okay, and important, you have to still observe like this one wave up, one wave down using the Fibonacci, right? So personally, I don't like to scalp because I can win more and more money. I can have a very good reward and risk ratio by just trading once. I trade here. I bought from 1764 and the price immediately it rallied $30. If I buy one lot, I can earn 3K USD, right? But if you scalp, how many trades you're going to trade to earn 3K US dollar by, you know, like 200, 300, probably maybe 10 trades. And that's it's on account that you can have all the 10 trades are correct. Okay, you got to strike 10 times consistently to be right to earn 3K. But for me, I only trade at the best area, best level. I only trade when the criteria fits to my trading system. I start to trade with a very limited risk, and the boom, it just flies. Okay, so try to be a sniper. Okay, don't be a machine gun player. Machine gun, right? The accuracy is very low. It spam the bullets, but cannot hit the target. Okay, try to be a sniper. Boom, you earn big money. Even you lose small money, right? Trading is just a business. Losing small money, earn big money. That's it. All right. Okay. So do you get what I mean? Okay. So yeah, just follow me, and I will show you more details like how to set ups. Okay. Yeah. That's all for today. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye.